The sands of Giza have long concealed secrets, their silent dunes hiding stories that have eluded humanity for millennia. For generations, explorers, archaeologists, and dreamers have scoured these ancient grounds, hoping to unlock the mysteries buried beneath the iconic pyramids. Yet despite centuries of study, the true depths of Giza's enigma remained untouched, until now. In March 2025, a discovery sent shockwaves through the world of archaeology and beyond. News outlets buzzed with excitement as teams of scientists and researchers converged on the site, their equipment gleaming in the early morning light. The world watched as history was about to be rewritten before their eyes. Using cutting-edge ground-penetrating radar and advanced imaging technology, researchers uncovered what no one had ever imagined: a sprawling subterranean complex hidden deep beneath the pyramids. This was not just a few chambers or tunnels, but an entire underground city stretching over 2 kilometers, with vertical shafts plunging 600 meters into the earth, and massive cube-shaped chambers carved from solid rock. The scale and precision of this network stunned even the most seasoned experts. These colossal structures dwarf anything previously known in the ancient world. The chambers are so vast that modern buildings could fit inside them, and the stone pillars supporting the underground halls rise like ancient skyscrapers. Such engineering suggests a civilization with knowledge and abilities far beyond what history has ever recorded, challenging everything we thought we knew about the people of ancient Egypt. Even more astonishing, some of these formations may be up to 38,000 years old, predating the construction of the pyramids by tens of thousands of years. Artifacts and carvings found within the deepest chambers bear symbols and designs unlike any seen before, hinting at a lost chapter of human history that stretches back to a forgotten era. For the scientific community, this isn't just a new chapter in history, it's a revelation that forces us to reconsider the very origins of civilization. Researchers pore over ancient manuscripts and artifacts, their faces a mix of awe and disbelief, as they realize that humanity's potential may have been far greater and far older than anyone ever imagined. The official story of tombs and pharaohs, long accepted as fact, suddenly seems like a convenient fiction, a narrative crafted to mask a reality that is far more complex, mysterious, and perhaps even technological. The hieroglyphs and legends we thought we understood may hold deeper meanings, encoded messages from a civilization whose true achievements have only now begun to surface. What lies beneath Giza may be more than just ruins. It could be the missing component of an ancient machine, a device whose purpose and power we are only beginning to grasp. As scientists and explorers venture deeper into the darkness, one thing is clear: this discovery will forever change our understanding of the past, and perhaps our vision of the future. For centuries we've been told the pyramids are tombs, built as eternal resting places for the pharaohs, shrouded in mystery and legend. This narrative has dominated textbooks and documentaries, shaping our understanding of ancient Egypt. But what if this story is incomplete? What if the true purpose of these monumental structures has been misunderstood for generations? When we look closer, the evidence points elsewhere. The sheer scale, precision, and mathematical alignment of the pyramids defy simple explanations. These are not just tombs, they are technological marvels, built with a level of sophistication that challenges our assumptions about ancient civilizations. Why build such precise, undecorated structures for burials that contain no bodies or treasures? The interiors are stark, devoid of the ornate carvings and riches found in other tombs. Many chambers are empty, echoing with secrets, as if their true function was never meant to be discovered by ordinary eyes. The pyramids were not tombs, they were machines, designed to harness and amplify Earth's natural energies. Imagine these colossal structures as ancient power plants, channeling forces we are only beginning to understand. Their geometry and materials were chosen with purpose, not for decoration, but for function. Their design, materials, and global alignment suggest a technological purpose, a wireless power grid resonating with the planet's frequencies. The placement of the pyramids is not random. It mirrors celestial patterns and connects to other ancient sites across the globe, hinting at a lost science of energy transmission. Pyramids worldwide share these features, forming a network on energetic ley lines. From Egypt to Central America, from China to Indonesia, these structures are linked by invisible threads of energy, suggesting a global civilization with shared knowledge and purpose. The very architecture of the pyramids, angled sides, internal chambers, and mysterious shafts, seems engineered to collect, focus and transmit energy. Some researchers believe the pyramids could have generated electromagnetic fields or even acted as resonators for the Earth's natural vibrations. The empty sarcophagus was a resonator, the shafts were waveguides, channeling energy through the heart of the structure. These features are not accidental, they are the hallmarks of advanced engineering, designed for a purpose far beyond burial. And the vast underground complex was likely the engine room, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers where energy was collected, stored, or transformed. These subterranean spaces remain largely unexplored, holding secrets that could rewrite history. This theory transforms our view of the ancients from primitive builders to master engineers, visionaries who understood the hidden forces of nature and harnessed them in ways we are only beginning to rediscover. The Giza complex may have been the central hub of a planetary energy system, a beacon of lost technology and forgotten wisdom, waiting for us to unlock its true potential. Nikola Tesla saw the pyramids not as relics, but as blueprints for a world powered by free, wireless energy. He believed their shape and location were designed to tap into Earth's electrical field, acting as giant antennas. Tesla's experiments, like the Warden Cliff Tower, aimed to recreate this ancient technology. He saw the pyramids as transmitters, converting vibrations and telluric currents into usable power. The recent discovery of massive underground chambers supports Tesla's vision of a lost energy technology, but his ideas were suppressed. Free energy threatened the profits of those in power. By hiding the truth about the pyramids, the system keeps us dependent and in the dark. Tesla's dream was buried, just like the secrets beneath Giza. The pyramid's design is a masterclass in applied physics, blending ancient wisdom with a deep understanding of the natural world. For centuries, these monumental structures have inspired awe, not just for their size, but for the mystery of how they were built and what they were truly meant to do. Built atop solid limestone bedrock, the pyramids were strategically placed above underground water channels. This wasn't a coincidence. The ancient Egyptians understood that the movement of water beneath the earth could generate natural electrical currents, and they harnessed this energy by situating the pyramids at these powerful locations. The main body of the pyramid was constructed from massive limestone blocks which acted as a natural insulator, protecting the inner workings from external elements. The outer casing, made from highly polished Tura limestone, reflected sunlight brilliantly, creating a seamless, almost otherworldly shell that could be seen for miles. Deep inside, the chambers were lined with granite, a stone rich in quartz crystals. When subjected to pressure and vibration, these crystals generate electricity through the piezoelectric effect. The Earth's natural vibrations, combined with the flow of water below, amplified this effect, turning the pyramid into a giant energy collector. The Grand Gallery, with its unique shape and precise dimensions, acted as a resonating chamber. It focused and directed the collected energy upward, channeling it toward the very tip of the pyramid. At the apex, a capstone, possibly made of gold, served as the final conductor. Gold is an excellent transmitter of energy, and this capstone would have discharged the accumulated energy into the atmosphere, potentially enabling wireless transmission across great distances. The narrow shafts that run through the pyramid's walls weren't simply for ventilation. They were meticulously aligned waveguides, designed to channel and direct energy with incredible precision, connecting the inner chambers to the outside world. Every element, from the smallest stone to the grandest gallery, served a specific technological function. The pyramid was not just a tomb, but a complex machine, engineered with purpose and intent. In essence, the pyramid was a generator, an amplifier, and a transmitter, an ancient powerhouse that harnessed the forces of nature in ways we are only beginning to understand. This was ancient engineering at its absolute peak, a testament to human ingenuity, vision, and the enduring mysteries of the past. The genius of the pyramid builders extended to the stars. The Giza pyramids align perfectly with Orion's belt, mirroring the stars' positions and brightness. Their orientation to true north and encoded mathematical ratios reveal advanced knowledge of Earth's dimensions and cycles. This alignment harmonized the pyramids with the planet's energy grid, maximizing efficiency. The shafts point to specific stars, likely designed to capture stellar frequencies and blend them with terrestrial energy. The Great Pyramid encodes the value of pi and the precession of the equinoxes, evidence of a civilization with profound cosmic understanding. The pyramid was a cosmic antenna, bridging Earth and the stars. It was designed to channel celestial and terrestrial power, unlocking unimaginable potential. When the 2025 discovery broke, the academic world responded with silence and denial. Instead of investigating, mainstream Egyptologists attacked the researchers and dismissed the evidence without review. Bureaucratic hurdles and personal attacks replaced scientific inquiry. Critics questioned the technology and the researchers' credibility, not the data itself. The goal was suppression, not debate. The mainstream narrative of tombs is a pillar of our worldview. Challenging it threatens careers and established beliefs. The idea of an advanced ancient civilization shatters the illusion of linear progress. Denial protects dogma, not truth. The real reason for the cover-up isn't history, it's control. If the pyramids were power plants, it exposes the energy industry as obsolete and predatory. Our world runs on finite, polluting resources controlled by corporations and governments. Free energy would break these chains, threatening the foundation of global power. By hiding the pyramid's true function, they limit our vision for the future and keep us dependent. The suppression is about maintaining a system of economic and intellectual control. The truth about ancient energy technology is revolutionary. It challenges the inevitability of poverty and scarcity. They're not protecting heritage, they're protecting the system. We're at a turning point. The truth is breaking through. The Giza discovery, spread by independent media, is sparking a global awakening. Knowledge is our weapon. Every article shared, every question asked, chips away at the matrix of control. The rise of citizen journalists and open platforms is creating a new information ecosystem. We must become digital archaeologists, connecting evidence across disciplines. This isn't about wild theories, it's about following the evidence wherever it leads. Reclaiming our sovereignty of thought is the first step to freedom. The truth about the pyramids could unlock a new paradigm for humanity. This is more than a story, it's a call to action. The secrets of Giza belong to all humanity, and the truth is ours to claim. Arm yourself with knowledge and question everything you've been taught. Demand answers about the underground discoveries and challenge the silence. Support independent researchers and share their work. Engage in debate, build a movement of truth seekers, and help uncover our lost history. The fight for the pyramid's truth is a fight for our own potential. The ancient builders left us a message of possibility, a blueprint for a different future. Your journey starts now. Go dig.